Okay, now please welcome father and daughter on my show, Saif Ali Khan and Sara Ali Khan.
Let's learn English with Coffee with Karan.
Then look, encourage your sons, allow them to grow and leverage their strengths. Don't harp on their weaknesses.
Harp on. Harp on means to keep talking about the same thing again and again, usually in an annoying way. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है बार बार एक ही बात दोहराए जाना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई मॉम ऑलवेज हार्प्स ऑन अबाउट हाउ आई शुड क्लीन माई रूम. मेरी मॉम हमेशा एक ही बात दोहराती रहती हैं कि मुझे अपना रूम कैसे साफ करना चाहिए.
You know, I feel that everybody's been very clear with me vis-a-vis the equations.
Vis-a-vis. Vis-a-vis is a French phrase that means in relation to. It is often used in English to show a connection between two things. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है को लेकर. जैसे वो पब्लिक स्पीकिंग को लेकर बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट है. शी इज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट vis-a-vis पब्लिक स्पीकिंग.
Vince, I want to know because Karina is such a non-committal person where there's confrontation.
Non-committal. If someone is non-committal, they avoid making a promise or taking a definite side. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है किसी बात का पक्का जवाब ना देना. For example, when asked if he would come to the party, he gave a non-committal answer saying, I'll see if I am free. जब उसे पूछा गया कि क्या वो पार्टी में आएगा तो उसने कोई पक्का जवाब नहीं दिया. उसने कहा देखता हूं अगर मैं फ्री हुआ तो.
And I've grown up watching every season of Coffee with Karan time and time again.
Time and time again. Time and time again means many times or repeatedly. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है कोई चीज कई बार करना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई टोल्ड हिम टाइम एंड टाइम अगेन टू बी केयरफुल बट ही डिडंट लिसन. मैंने उसको कई बार समझाया कि ध्यान रखे पर उसने नहीं सुना.
Like the social media, just constantly reporting your ins and outs.
Yes.
This
Ins and outs. Ins and outs means all the details about something, including how it works and everything you need to know. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है हर एक पहलू. For example, before starting a business, you should learn the ins and outs of managing finances. बिजनेस शुरू करने से पहले आपको फाइनेंसेस मैनेज करने के हर एक पहलू को समझना चाहिए.
Whether it was mom being obviously very comfortable in her skin and
Comfortable in your skin. Comfortable in your skin means feeling good and confident about who you are. It's when you accept yourself, your appearance and your personality without worrying about what others think. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है अपने आप में सहज होना. For example, after years of self-doubt, she finally feels comfortable in her skin and no longer worries about what others think. सालों के सेल्फ डाउट के बाद वो फाइनली अपने आप में सहज महसूस करती है और अब दूसरों के ओपिनियन की चिंता नहीं करती.
Yeah.
you know, I also feel that somewhere down the line it's very important to respect what other people want.
Somewhere down the line. The phrase somewhere down the line means at some point in the future or later on, even if it's not clear when exactly. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है किसी न किसी मोड़ पर. For example, you might not see it now, but somewhere down the line you'll understand why this is important. अभी तुम्हें ये समझ नहीं आएगा, लेकिन किसी न किसी मोड़ पर तुम्हें समझ आएगा ये क्यों important है.
all's well that ends well. Sarah,
I feel so.
you learnt a lot.
All's well that ends well. All's well that ends well is a saying that means if the final result is good, then all the challenges or problems along the way don't matter much. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है अंत भला तो सब भला. For example, the wedding preparation were stressful, but everything went smoothly on the big day. All's well that ends well. शादी की तैयारियां स्ट्रेसफुल थी, लेकिन इवेंट के दिन सब कुछ अच्छे से हो गया. अंत भला तो सब भला.
Suddenly, you know, he did feel maybe a little bit bad, I think. But I think that with the same token, he knew.
By the same token. By the same token is used to say for the same reason or in the similar way. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है उसी तरह. For example, if you're going to criticize others, by the same token, you should be open to criticism yourself. अगर आप दूसरों की आलोचना करते हैं तो उसी तरह आपको खुद की भी आलोचना को खुले मन से स्वीकार करना चाहिए.
Were you some kind of a guiding light to Sarah becoming an actor? Or was it just sprung on you suddenly, or you always knew that she had what it takes? And
Has what it takes. The phrase has what it takes means having the necessary qualities, skills or abilities to do something successfully. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है किसी में कुछ कर पाने की बात होना. For example, she has what it takes to be a great leader. उसमें एक महान नेता बनने वाली बात है. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it both fun and engaging while learning English. If you want to buy our celebrity vocabulary ebook, which has 1000 pages of daily use advanced vocabulary in just 199 rupees, you can WhatsApp me through scanning this QR code. And for more videos, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.